I think we need a clear and unequivocal condemnation of the break of international law from our government to the United States and Israel. We value international law, and if the so-called global leaders are breaking international law, indeed breaking their own domestic law in the case of the United States, then international law will hold no currency. We believe in the United Nations. It is a severely weakened organisation at the moment, but this is where global conflicts need to be resolved. Iran is a rogue regime. It is a despotic regime. It is an authoritarian regime. They have been seeking to attain nuclear weapons for a number of years. I know this from my own background, but it is only through the United Nations and through the IAEA, which has been effective to an extent over these years in hampering Iran. But it is only through dialogue and strong actions through the United Nations and international organisations that we believe you can de-escalate issues. There's been no example in history where an illegal war and illegal attack has actually brought peace. So this is something that I think the Irish government should call out in terms of the breaking of international law.